Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was planning to do something for the Valentine's Day, but then I thought, why Valentine's Day? We have so many days coming before that, starting from Rose Day, Kiss Day, Promise Day, and so many other stuffs. So I made this for the Rose Day. It has those traditional roses, but with a unique kind of a style. I think if you give the papers totally up to the brim and give a lot of flowers, those papers won't fall off and you can carry it easily where you want to take it. I will be doing a lot more for each and every day. So if you want to see all those, do subscribe and hit the bell button. And for this one, let's get started. So all you need is a red art paper, brown art paper, some pebbles, stick, scissor, scale, pen, fevicol, ribbon and a glass. Next I am cutting a 4x4 inch paper from the red art paper. Once I cut it, it will look like this. Next I will make some spirals on this paper. Make the spiral thicker in the inner part and thinner when you go out. So I'm just drawing spiral till I reach the end point of the paper. So once I reach the end point, I will cut this spiral with the scissor, cut along the lines and you will get the spiral. Once it's cut, it will look like this. Cut the paper where the spiral ends and then you will see it will form like this. Then start rolling the paper from the end point and roll till you reach the starting point, and then give some fevicol in the starting point and stick it on the starting point like that. Once it's done, it will look like this. Now take the brown art paper and cut a little strap of paper. There's no measurement in this. Take a little strap of paper and then start folding it vertically. Give the fevicol in the starting point and stick it well so that it doesn't come out. Next, bend 1/4 of the paper like that. You can see how I did that, and then give some fevicol on that 1/4 paper and stick it on the bottom of the rose like that. There was a problem in lighting at that point of time. Next, give some fevicol on the stick and insert it. Like that, it will not come out. And our rose is ready. I made many roses like this. You can see so many roses I made. Next, take the glass. Bigger the glass, better it looks. And place all the flowers inside. When you are left with 2-3 flowers, make a gap and start giving pebbles inside the glass. Fill it up to the brim and make sure that all the sticks can't be seen. All those are hidden by the pebbles. Give a good shake, then insert rest of the flowers also. Do all those necessary adjustments you need to do Once you are done, it will look like this. Next, take a ribbon and make a bow. And yeah, that's it. That's done. Our bouquet is ready. I hope you liked my video, and if you did, then give it a big thumbs up. Also comment below whatever you want to comment, and I'm gonna do a DIY for each and every day. So if you wanna see all those DIYs, have to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button next to it so that you are always notified about my new videos. Till then, take care. Bye.